Welcome to the Mendes family. This is Roshna Mendes, and as you can see now, we're in Conoor. Like, I don't think you can see the hills. I think we're probably on a hill now. Like, we'll come to our cousin's house, so I'm gonna show you how a Conoor quarters look. So let's get into it.
Our journey began after many days of being inside the house. It was our dream to go out somewhere so that we can relax and be happy, forgetting all the tough times which we had staying at home. Still, we could make it enjoyable as much as we could. So today we are out to our cousin's house, and this is the way that we passed. This is the way we pass every time, even though we pass this path. Every time we feel something new here. The first time I passed this path, I wouldn't have noticed so much because bus traveling is totally different and car traveling is different, and we could have a closer view of each and everything. The journey was so nice, so marvelous to see the hills and the trees and the plants in such close view, and the waterfalls gushing through, showing us how life is passing by. It's a continuous change that happens each and every time. So this is how our journey began, and this beautiful view made our minds and hearts full of joy, and this joy you can feel as we journey through this wonderful path. This is beautiful India for you. In India, there are so many beautiful places, and Conoor is one of the best place that you can get to if you want a good climate and a wonderful viewpoints you will get to see. So this is a must visit place for every person, and for those who stay very close by, this will be a real treat to go at any time, and every time you go there you will feel something new happening to you. So that is Conoor for you. And so we have reached his cousin's place, and this is a small little garden, lovely garden which they had in front of their house. It's a lovely little house, beautifully decorated, and with a lot of love they invited us into their home to stay for a few days and go out sightseeing each and every day, just chilling out in a chill climate, I should say. Their house is small, but their heart is big, and that's how they made us feel in their house. So here I am climbing to give and get a bird's view of this place. We're going to see so many buildings here all around, surrounded the people. It looks very congested when standing here and looking, but beyond these buildings there are hidden secrets, hidden beautiful places, and you should travel little away from this place and you can see places which will really melt your heart. And through our journey we are going to show you all the different places that we visited. And here we have some important buildings for you. This green building is the DSP's office, and we have other things around, like we can even see the road from here. I'll show you the closer view of Besant, Mount Besant Road. And also there is a shortcut here to the bus stand. So that's what we're talking about, this DSP office, this green building here. And also the tower. Near the tower there are some places, some important places, which I will be telling you. And also, yeah, this is Mount Besant Road. This is the main road which we travel to Ooty, Conoor to Ooty Road. And this is the head post office. And there is also a railway station here, and if you could see the railway track here. Yes, you have a railway track also here. Yes, you can see the railway track connected here too. A closer view for you and for us. And there are a lot of schools here. If you can see, I'll show you a closer view of the church and the schools surrounding it. Yes, this is the church, and we have St. Mary's High School there, and we have St. Joseph's School, and we have Staines above, and we have Mountain Home nearby. So there are so many CBSE and ICSE schools all around this place. It looks very populated and congested, but wait till I show you. More wonderful places hidden all over this place. Stay tuned to watch